Karnataka has over 7 lakh registered businesses spread across the shops and establishments department, the factories department, the labor department, and the KSPCB pollution board. Each department has its own siloed database, its own ID numbers, its own format. A single business can appear under 4 different names, 4 different IDs with no connection between them. Samvaya is an AI-powered, unified identity business platform that solves this problem permanently. It identifies and links all records belonging to the same business across all 4 departments, assigns a single verified identity called a UBID, and provides a live explainable intelligence layer on top of it. The platform is built on 4 hard guarantees. Your UBID is verified once and trusted everywhere. Department systems are read-only. We never write back to them, never disrupt them. Every AI decision is explained and reversible with a full audit trail, and every license, inspection, and compliance filing is reflected in real time. Now, let me log into the platform and show you inside the main Samvaya dashboard. This is the UBID directory, the central registry. Every row here is a verified, unified business identity. There are over 4,700 entities here, each one linked to records across one or more government departments. The search runs a live query against all 4 department source tables simultaneously, not just the UBID table itself. Now, as for the department filter, it is powered by a backend exit subquery. So when I filter by shops and establishments, I am asking the database, show me only business that have a verified active link to a record in the department shop establishment table. The results update instantly. Now let's open a company. The detailed drawer shows everything about this business's verified identity, its UBID, its activity score, and crucially, all the department records it has been linked to. Now I will show you the sub-tabs under the company details. The overview tab consolidates everything into one identity card. UBID, activity score, PAN, GSTIN, owner name, address, all deduplicated from the best source record across departments. Each linked department record shows its confidence score and an auto or manual link tab. Each single link has a revert button. If the AI made a wrong match, a reviewer can undo it instantly, creating a full audit trail. The SHAP analysis tab makes every match decision fully explainable. For each linked record, a SHAP waterfall chart shows exactly which of the 14 features drove the model's decision. A long positive bar on FO4 means the feature was the single biggest reason these records were linked. No black boxes, every confidence score has a breakdown. The comparison tab shows the raw side by side of what the AI compared. A green cell means data agreed across departments. Amber means a discrepancy. Below that, the feature metric shows the actual numerical values of each feature the light GBM model reviewed as input. The timeline tab plots this business's government history as an area chart over 12 months. License renewals, inspections, compliance filings. A healthy business shows a steady stream. A flat line is often the first signal of an unregistered closure. An LLM generated narrative at the bottom summarizes the pattern in plain English for the reviewing officer. Now, for one of the most powerful features, the Activity Intelligence Engine. This engine goes beyond static registration data. It continuously tracks real-world signals from across all 4 departments to determine whether a business is genuinely operating today. We classify every business as active, dormant, closed, suspected, or closed confirmed in real time. Now let me run an arbitrary query and look at the businesses satisfying it. Then from that, I will look at its activity timeline. Now, let me look at one of the business's activity timeline. Each event here, a license renewal, a compliance filing, an inspection visit, a high electricity consumption reading, contributes a weighted signal to the business's activity score. After the business list, we have also displayed the geospatial distribution of all the businesses satisfying the asked query. There are also the graphs for query results by sector categorization and the signal importance graph, as well as evidence freshness versus activity score graph. Now, moving on to the reviewers queue. This queue consists of all the businesses whose match scoring was between 75% to 95%. Thus, they are left upon manual review by the reviewers. Now, let me try reviewing a business here. Our AI model could not decide between whether these businesses are a perfect match or not. So, these are left upon manual review. After manually reviewing, let me say it is a perfect match. So, I will click on confirm match and it will move into the review section. Here, the clicked business has moved to the reviewed queue successfully, as you can see. Now, the analytics section displays the data for all the businesses across the database. It shows activity status distribution, link statistics, and information about the model. Now, admin console, here we can use it to retrain our data using the reviewed queue. Using run full pipeline, it will retrain the data and include the data which was manually reviewed by the reviewer. We can also vary the threshold configuration and adjust the percentages by which we want to link or review. Here, this is the audit log, which consists of all the events that happened on our dashboard. One thing that sets Samvaya apart from a typical data integration project is the Pi security architecture. Every record passes through a deterministic Pi scrambler before it ever reaches the machine learning layer or the database. Using HMAC SHA-256 with a secret key stored in the environment, never in code, we replace real business names with realistic Karnataka-style synthetic names with a 2000 name dictionary. PAN numbers are structure preserved, the output still looks a valid PAN, but the digits are replaced. GSTIN numbers are re-derived with proper state codes and checksums. Phone number uses a deterministic digit substitution cipher. Dates are shifted by a fixed 385-day offset, so temporal ordering is preserved for the ML timeline analysis, but actual registration dates are never exposed. Most importantly, because the scrambling is deterministic, the same input always produces the same output. Entity matching still works perfectly. The same business appearing in two department tables will scramble to the same synthetic name in both, so the ML model can match them correctly without ever seeing the real data. Samvaya is not a proof of concept. It's deployable production grade platform. It runs entirely on Docker Compose with a fast API backend, Postgres SQL, Redis for API caching, RabbitMQ for async task queuing, MLflow for model experiment tracking, and a self-hosted nominatim geocoder for offline address resolution all in a single command. It resolves entities across 4 departments, classifies the activity status of over 4,700 businesses in real time, and provides fully explainable, auditable AI decisions with a complete reversal mechanism. Every match can be undone, every decision has a reason, every signal has a source. This is Samvaya, one identity for every Karnataka business, verified by AI, trusted by government.